this is a toll road in Jamaica. You gotta pay to use it. You're going too far. Wait. Ah, damn. Hold on. Oh. Only patchy and give me back, man. Alright.